Hello there, it's David Duffett here, Worldwide Community Director for the Asterisk project. And today I wanted to talk to you a bit about phones. You see, here at Digium, the creators, maintainers and primary sponsors of Asterisk, we've done phones for a good long time and they are excellent phones. In fact, I would say they are the Rolls-Royce phone experience for Asterisk. However, people didn't always like the price tag. And so we have produced a special budget range of phones with Asterisk on them. In fact, look, Asterisk, they are the same. These are Asterisk phones, and today I wanted to show you the top of the range one, the A30, and have a quick look inside the box. So when we open the box, we see we get the standard things inside the box, the Ethernet cable, and this reminds me to tell you that these are power over Ethernet devices. They can be powered by an external power supply, a little plug top adapter, but that does not come standard. You would need to buy that separately. But if you want to power them over Ethernet, they're ready to go. Then you've got the curly cable to connect the handset to the phone. And I would just like to point out that this is the end that goes in the phone, and that's the end that goes in the handset. You'd be surprised how many times I see phones that are the wrong way round. Then we have the body of the actual phone itself. This is the beautiful A30 phone. Our other series of phones are called the D series. That's D for Digium. This is A for Asterisk. And so this one is the A30. You'll notice that it's got a very large colour display. I should tell you, by the way, that all of the A series phones have colour displays, and prices start at a manufacturer's recommended selling price of just $59. So if you were tempted to head down to that budget level of the market, then really you should be considering these very phones. That's exactly where they're aimed. So let's carry on seeing what else is in the box. The body of the phone. Then we've got the beautiful stand for the phone. I will be attaching this before too long. And lastly, can you guess what the last piece is? Of course you can. It's this beautiful handset. Okay, so let's pop it all together. Popping the base on like that, you see it stands the phone up very beautifully. You'll notice, by the way, that the base has got a little cutout for the wire to run underneath it. Personally, I like to put it through the gap there. I think that makes life easier. So I will go ahead and pop this wire through and then into the space for the handset, plugging the short end of the cable into the handset. I now have that one nicely connected up. And we're almost ready to rock and roll. But before we try and make a call on this bad boy, I want to tell you about some of the features. We've got DSS stroke BLF buttons just here. We've got a speaker button here. These are good speaker phones as well. It's a full colour display, and I think you'll agree it looks very beautiful indeed. And of course it has the Asterisk logo. Not the Digium logo, the Asterisk logo is on this very phone. So as you can see, we've got this powered up now with my long red cable going to the wall socket. You'll notice I also have this cable in my hand still. That's because we can use this to go through the gigabit Ethernet switch that's built into this model of phone to then connect through onto our desktop PC or our laptop. You can also see there's lots of different buttons on the phone. I'm not going to go through all of them, but suffice to say there's voicemail access, there's the transfer, there's the speakerphone button, but my favourite set of buttons for navigating through the very intuitive menu system. So listen, if you're looking for affordability, you're looking for a great phone that's got a colour screen to put on your Asterisk system, and perhaps most importantly, you're looking to give back to the Asterisk project rather than buying from some other brand that simply wouldn't do that, these Asterisk phones are the phones for you.